Yo, 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 yo. What's good? It's your boy Nick Dob back with another banger. Of course, today we'll be taking a look at the gold charts, doing a little breakdown video. I have three charts specifically we're going to be taking a look at. We have the monthly chart, still looking bullish, still moving in that upward motion, breaking out of that cup and handle pattern. We have the daily, which has a new triangle breakout happening at this very moment with a perfect break and retest. And we also are going to be looking at the 4-hour time frame, a nice little wedge breaking out as well. A lot of bullish momentum on gold. Let's get right into it. So starting here on the monthly time frame, for anybody who's just now tuning in, we have been looking at this chart for quite some time now, as it is the monthly chart. Each of these candles, they are monthly candles. They only happen once a month. So it's a little slower target than what we're used to in the Discord, but this still gives that overall picture of where the market is heading. So just to break down the cup and handle pattern real quickly, we have the start, we have the base, and then we have the end of the cup. Once you see these three things typically happening on the market, you want to wait for the handle. So the pattern can look from anywhere like this to like this as a handle, anywhere from like this to maybe like this, or somewhat like this, where the market comes into that cup and just consolidate sideways. So regardless how you see it, the motion should look something like that. And we do have that perfect cup and handle pattern that did a nice retest, confining support here. And once we found that support here, you can see price took off. Since October 23, we have been extremely bullish. You can see for October 24, that is the last bullish candle of the year, as November and December was very bearish. And then of course starting here in January, you can see prices now just taking off again, completely ignoring the two red candles here, fulfilling new all-time highs. Gold is on that motion towards higher highs, of course, as we have the target at 3,500 roughly. How did I get my target exactly with the cup and handle pattern? Real simple. I'll just take this target bar here and I'll take it from the base to the highest point of the cup roughly, and I'll put that near the breakout, and that gives me my target of 3,500. As you can see here, I do have my Fibonacci tool as well from the base of the breakout to the target point, and we have reached the 50% marker of the target, which just means we might see a little bit of resistance, which we've seen that resistance fighting here. We've seen price fall back down in November and December, back down to the 618 level, and yeah, like I said, back in January, you can see prices now finding support again, just like we found support at the breakout. We're finding support again, and we are continuing to go higher highs. So on the monthly, of course, like I said, each of these candlesticks are monthly candles. So there are going to be 12 of these candles for the year, and anything is possible. We could see the price of gold continue to fall all the way back down out of the Fibonacci key levels here and come back into this monthly fair value gap. Is it likely? No, but is it possible? Yes. So we got to keep that in mind, that we do have a strong monthly fair value gap here. We are, like I said, at that golden pocket zone, that 50% retracement. So just keep this all in mind. Gold is at a point where it can pop to higher highs to the upside, or it could just start to consolidate until it finds the momentum of which direction it wants to go. And also, I want you to note that we do have the RSI, which may needs to reset. You can see the RSI is in the overbought territory, and typically when it does get up here, the price likes to move in that sideways motion and let that RSI reset. So we could see the same thing happening here, where price may just start to consolidate, whether it consolidate down or it consolidate up. Regardless, if it starts to consolidate, you will see the price of the RSI start to reset, and this could give the price the momentum to then push back up into all-time highs. Is it going to happen in the next month? It could consolidate for the rest of the year. This is the monthly time frame, so of course we just have to be patient. As I always say, just wait and see. Moving down into the daily, we do see our triangle breakout here. So we had the price consolidate like I said, from October of 2024 into the New Year's until we've seen that breakout. Of course, it was around the time President Trump got elected into office, and the markets were pretty much up and down. Down for the most part, but gold managed to just stay bullish throughout the entire election, and it is still very bullish. So I'm not going to say that the dollar has no correlation to gold, because of course it does, but gold is just being an outlier right now. Everything else is going a little sideways and down, while gold is still maintaining to push up. Even the other commodities like silver and copper aren't doing the greatest, but gold is pushing up. So that's a good thing, especially for the higher time frame, for the long term. And if gold is respecting this daily triangle breakout, which it is, because you can clearly see a nice bullish candle breakout. You can clearly see that we made that daily fair value gap, which was then retested along with the breakout here, and you can see gold is now still remaining bullish. So this is a good sign for gold, and if it does remain bullish, of course you'll take your target from the low to the high, and roughly, of course, we have a target of 2,900. So like I said, if gold does remain bullish and continue to rally, we could see a target to 2,900 within the next couple of months. And of course, as always, we just gotta wait and see. Moving down into the 4-hour, last chart of the day, I want y'all to see this insane wedge gold is holding above. So gold has been moving up perfectly in this wedge here, and you can see it's getting tighter and tighter until gold has faked us out here one time and came back down to support, where it then touched it twice and is now breaking out again. So is this a potential fake out or another breakout? I personally think, as I mentioned before in all the other time frames, as bullish as gold is, I'm pretty sure gold is breaking out here. And you can see gold might even retest here, maybe retest some support levels here before shooting up. If gold doesn't remain above these levels here, probably above 2780, and it does fall with a clean retest, you could possibly see gold falling back down to find better support before rallying back up. Of course, you just gotta wait and see. So that's my little breakdown for the end of January coming into February. Like I said, it was a very bullish month for gold. We took all of our trades on 3 different funding accounts. We have funding pips. I'm now using E8 markets, and I'm on Blue Guardian. So we are taking all our trades on those platforms, and I sent all my trades on the Discord. So definitely click all the links below. Everything will be down there. The Discord will be down there. Just click on all the links. Who's stopping you? Join the Discord, join the Telegram, follow me on Twitch. That's where I go live. For the most part, I did a little bit of traveling for January. That's why the YouTube haven't been as active. I am going to be leaving again in February, so I might be missing out a week or two on the videos and on the Discord. But we are up over 300 pips for January. We are still looking to take some profits, do some payouts this week into next. So like I said, we are still moving. We just got to stay focused and stay consistent, and the money gonna come to us. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and as always, I do appreciate everybody who's watching the video, especially all the way to the end. Until next time, peace.